Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing a topic that is crucial for maintaining a healthy mind and body as we age. Many people struggle with getting a good night's sleep, especially as they get older. Poor sleep quality not only affects your daily life, but can also increase the risk of dementia. That's why it's important to focus on foods that can improve your sleep and support brain health. So, what are the best foods for sleep that can also help prevent dementia in people over 50? Insomnia and poor sleep quality are common issues that can lead to cognitive decline. Symptoms like difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, and waking up frequently during the night can significantly impact brain health and increase the risk of dementia. These sleep disturbances can be caused by various factors such as poor diet, stress, and lack of exercise. Consuming foods high in sugar, caffeine, and unhealthy fats can disrupt your sleep patterns and negatively affect your brain health. Awareness is the first step towards prevention. Incorporating foods rich in nutrients like magnesium, tryptophan, and antioxidants can significantly improve your sleep quality and support brain function. These foods are not only delicious but also beneficial for promoting restful sleep and protecting your brain from cognitive decline. So, let's dive into the video and discover the 10 best foods for sleep that can help prevent dementia in people over 50. Stay tuned and enjoy. 1. Salmon. Known for its high-quality protein and rich nutrient profile, salmon is a fatty fish commonly found in the cold waters of the North Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. This fish is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, selenium, and potassium. What sets salmon apart is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which have anti-inflammatory properties and play a crucial role in protecting and enhancing cardiovascular and brain health. Additionally, salmon is rich in vitamin D, essential for bone health and overall well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon boost serotonin production, a neurotransmitter that regulates sleep. Serotonin is converted into melatonin, the hormone responsible for maintaining circadian rhythms and improving sleep quality. Furthermore, DHA, a type of omega-3, is a vital component of brain structure, protecting neurons, enhancing cognitive abilities, and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory effects that shield the brain from damage. Moreover, the vitamin D in salmon helps alleviate sleep and mood disorders, enhancing overall brain health. Incorporating salmon into your diet can significantly improve sleep quality and protect brain health, particularly for individuals over 50, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and promoting overall well-being. 2. Mushrooms. Packed with vitamin D and antioxidants, mushrooms offer numerous benefits for health and sleep. Vitamin D in mushrooms helps regulate the sleep cycle and boosts the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for maintaining circadian rhythms and promoting restful sleep, thus reducing insomnia and improving sleep quality. Furthermore, antioxidants such as ergothioneine and glutathione found in mushrooms play a crucial role in protecting brain cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation, thereby maintaining brain function and reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Additionally, these powerful antioxidants and vitamin D work together to support the immune system and overall health. Studies have shown that adequate intake of vitamin D and antioxidants can slow down memory loss and lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative conditions, making mushrooms an excellent dietary choice for preventing cognitive decline and maintaining overall well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. 3. Green beans. A highly nutritious food, green beans are particularly rich in magnesium and antioxidants, offering numerous benefits for health and sleep. Magnesium in green beans helps regulate the nervous system and muscles, reducing stress and promoting relaxation, thus improving sleep quality. This essential mineral also plays a role in increasing melatonin production, the hormone that regulates sleep. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in green beans, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation, helping maintain brain function and lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, vitamin B6 in green beans is crucial for the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which improve mood and reduce stress, contributing to better sleep. Folate and potassium in green beans help maintain stable blood pressure and improve blood circulation, ensuring the brain receives adequate oxygen and nutrients to function effectively. Moving on from green beans, another excellent food to consider is pistachios. 4. Pistachios. These nuts are rich in melatonin, which is essential for regulating the sleep-wake cycle. This hormone helps signal the body when it's time to rest, leading to deeper and more restful sleep, and can be especially beneficial for those struggling with insomnia. Furthermore, pistachios are packed with antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenol. These antioxidants play a vital role in protecting brain cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation, thereby supporting cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In addition, pistachios provide a good amount of vitamin B6, which is crucial for the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters help improve mood and alleviate stress and anxiety, further contributing to better sleep quality. The magnesium and potassium in pistachios also help maintain stable blood pressure and enhance blood circulation, ensuring that the body and brain receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Delicious ways to incorporate pistachios into your meals include adding them to salads, blending them into smoothies, using them as a crust for baked fish, or incorporating them into baked goods like cookies and muffins. 5. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of tryptophan, an essential amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin helps improve mood and reduce stress, while melatonin regulates the sleep cycle, promoting deeper and more restful sleep. Additionally, eggs contain powerful antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation, thus lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Furthermore, eggs provide essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, B12, D, E, and choline, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining brain health and supporting the nervous system. Incorporating eggs into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial. You can enjoy dishes like scrambled eggs with spinach, egg salad with avocado and olive oil, omelets with mushrooms and onions, boiled eggs with yogurt and nuts, or avocado toast topped with a sunny-side-up egg. These meals not only enhance sleep quality but also protect brain health, making eggs a versatile and valuable addition to a healthy diet. 6. Whole grains. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates that help maintain stable blood sugar levels and improve sleep quality. The fiber in whole grains supports digestion and helps you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating at night and thus promoting better sleep. Additionally, whole grains are rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, magnesium, iron, and zinc, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining brain health and supporting overall bodily functions. Consuming whole grains can improve sleep quality by keeping blood sugar levels steady throughout the night, preventing midnight awakenings due to blood sugar drops. Furthermore, the B vitamins in whole grains, especially vitamin B6, are vital for producing neurotransmitters like serotonin, which enhances mood and reduces stress, contributing to better sleep and brain protection. Some healthy dishes with whole grains include oatmeal with fresh fruit and chia seeds for breakfast, whole grain bread with peanut butter or eggs for a balanced meal, whole grain cereal with yogurt and honey as a nutritious snack for a brain-boosting meal. 7. Lamb. Lamb is a nutrient-dense meat, particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, offering numerous benefits for brain health. The omega-3s in lamb, especially DHA, are critical components of brain cell membranes, protecting and enhancing brain function. DHA also has anti-inflammatory properties, which safeguard brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Furthermore, lamb contains powerful antioxidants like vitamin E and glutathione, which help reduce inflammation and protect brain cells from free radical damage, thereby lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, lamb is an excellent source of high-quality protein, providing all the essential amino acids necessary for maintaining and repairing body tissues. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, zinc, iron, and selenium, which are vital for maintaining brain function and supporting the nervous system. Delicious dishes that incorporate lamb include grilled lamb with roasted vegetables, lamb stew with lentils and tomatoes, lamb salad with fresh greens, avocado, and quinoa, and lamb stir-fried with mushrooms and garlic. From lamb, we move to a powerhouse seed known for its high omega-3 content and its benefits for sleep and brain health: flax seeds. 8. Flax seeds. These seeds are incredibly nutritious, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, offering numerous benefits for sleep and brain health. The omega-3s in flax seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, help reduce inflammation and protect cardiovascular and brain health. Additionally, flax seeds are packed with powerful antioxidants such as lignans and vitamin E, which protect cells from free radical damage and reduce inflammation. This protection is crucial for maintaining brain function and lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Furthermore, the fiber in flax seeds supports digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for overall health and reducing stress and anxiety. To incorporate flax seeds into your diet, you can combine them with yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, salads, and whole grain baked goods. These versatile uses not only enhance the nutritional value of your meals but also contribute to better sleep and brain protection. 9. Cacao. Cacao is a highly nutritious food, rich in magnesium and antioxidants, offering numerous benefits for muscle relaxation and sleep improvement. The magnesium in cacao plays a crucial role in relaxing muscles, regulating the nervous system, and enhancing sleep quality by boosting melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep cycles. Additionally, cacao is packed with powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenol, which protect cells from free radical damage and reduce inflammation, thereby safeguarding brain health and improving blood circulation. Furthermore, theobromine, a natural compound found in cacao, helps elevate mood, reduce stress, and relax muscles, contributing to better sleep. Cacao also provides essential vitamins and minerals like iron, copper, manganese, and zinc, all of which are vital for maintaining overall health and protecting brain function. Incorporating cacao into your diet not only enhances sleep quality but also supports brain health and overall well-being. 10. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including oranges, tangerines, lemons, and grapefruits, offer significant health benefits for sleep and brain protection. Rich in vitamin C, they boost the immune system and combat oxidative stress, protecting brain cells from damage. Antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenol improve blood circulation, ensuring the brain receives adequate oxygen and nutrients. The natural aroma of citrus fruits helps relax the mind, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote better sleep. Vitamin C and antioxidants also reduce inflammation and stress, improving sleep quality. Additionally, vitamin C is essential for collagen production, maintaining skin and blood vessel elasticity, which enhances blood circulation to the brain. Consuming enough vitamin C can prevent memory decline and conditions like Alzheimer's. Antioxidants in citrus fruits improve learning and memory by protecting brain cells and enhancing neurotransmitter function. They also help regulate blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health, indirectly supporting brain function and sleep. We've explored 10 incredible foods that not only enhance sleep quality but also protect brain health, especially for people over 50. From the omega-3 rich salmon to the antioxidant-packed cacao, these foods provide essential nutrients that can significantly improve your overall well-being. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily diet, you can take a proactive step towards better sleep and a healthier brain. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet rich in these key nutrients is crucial for preventing cognitive decline and ensuring restful sleep. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest health and wellness tips. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content to help you live a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos.